Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to create a new brand account for your YouTube channel. So first of all, just go to the YouTube settings. You can also go there by just typing in youtube.com/account, and then you will see this link which is create a new channel. So just click on it and a new page will appear wherein you can just enter the name of the channel which you want, which will also be your brand account name. So the new channel will be linked to your new brand account. So that is how you create a new brand account as well as a new channel, and they are interlinked with each other. And you can also move the channel from one brand account to another, which we will learn in following videos. But for now, we have just created a new YouTube channel and as well as the brand account. So this is how you do it.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.